Ideanomics is a global company driving mobile energy transformation in the green fintech revolution. They combine deal organization and development with the applications of technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and other as part of the next generation of smart financial services. They invest in when you invest in Ideanomics, you're investing in SOLECTRAC. SOLECTRAC is a climate smart electric tractor. With this investment in SOLECTRAC, Ideanomics expands its global footprint in the electric vehicle (EV) industry, specifically in the category of specific commercial vehicles. The North American company to offer 100% battery-powered all-electric tractors for agricultural and utilitarian applications. They provide an opportunity for tractor operators to provide their tractors by the utility grid, the sun, wind, and clean renewable sources of our energy. Ideanomics trade shares were 41056,923 during the last trade sessions. That's how many they traded. The beta value was a negative 1.56. The stock price was at $2.80, an increase of 3.14% in intraday trading. The index shares 52-week high is $4.75, puts it at a down 69.64%. The company has a value of $660.76 million, average of 128.15 million shares in intraday trading volume over the past 10 days, an average of 19.86 million shares over the past 3 months. IDEX has traded green over the past 5 days. The 5-day price performance for the stock is 134.71% and 218.97% over 30 days. The analysis on Wall Street suggests a consensus price target of $5, an increase of 78.57% to the stock current value. The company's 5-year growth pattern shows that annual earnings grew an estimated 11% for the past 5-year period. Total debt to equity ratio for IDEX is recording 0.19 on November 27, 2020. Long-term debt to equity ratio is set at 0. Year-to-date price performance of the company's stock appears to be pessimistic given the fact the metric is recording 216.7% trading for the stock and for the last 6 months. Improved by 588.17% in the last 12 months was 178.46%. Ideanomics announced on November 23, 2020 that it increased its stake in California-based SOLECTRAC Inc, the e-tractor, through a follow-on investment of an additional $1.3 million. The investment increased Ideanomics ownership to 24, with some exceptions. The global agricultural tractor market is currently valued at $75 million, with North America is expecting to reach $20 billion by 2023. The below 40 horsepower segment is the largest segment for agricultural tractors. SOLECTRAC initial 3 models are designed to serve the need of community-based farmers, vineyard orchards, equestrian arenas, greenhouse, and hobby farms. Founded in 2012 to take electric tractors into commercial production, SOLECTRAC was incorporated as a California Benefit Corp in 2019. It has received grants from the Indian U.S. Science and Technology Fund, IUSSTF, and the National Science Foundation, NSF. SOLECTRAC received the World Alliance Solar Impulse Efficiency Solution labeled for the Solar Impulse Foundation. The label was awarded for being one of the 1,000 most effective and profitable solutions that can transition society to being economically viable while being environmentally sustainable. It looks like they might be building something here. They say it's going to be better than diesel, less emissions, because no emissions because it's electric, but Yeah, take a look at it, see what y'all think. Get back to me.
I've been working on electric tractors for 26 years, but recently with the introduction of lithium batteries, it's made it possible to have longer run times. In 2012, I received a grant from the U.S. India Science and Technology Fund to build 4 prototypes using the latest technology. Each prototype was an advancement on the one before until we ended up with one that had a very efficient motor and lithium battery pack. An electric tractor can be used for any application a diesel tractor can be used for, except that it's clean and quiet. So we developed 2 tractors. One we call the E-Farmer, and it's specifically for row crops. The other one is the E-Utility, which can be used for any application that a diesel tractor can be used for. There are so many advantages to electric over diesel. They're cleaner, they're quieter. The electric motor in the SOLECTRAC is 94% efficient, and the torque is available instantly. In a diesel engine, it takes a while to come up to maximum torque, and the diesel motor is only about 35% efficient because the rest is wasted as heat. The SOLECTRAC electric motor has only one moving part. A diesel engine has over 300 moving parts. The maintenance required on a diesel tractor can add up to hundreds of dollars a year, where the electric motor is designed to last 100 years without maintenance. SOLECTRAC electric tractors can be powered off of any renewable source like wind, microhydro, or the limitless power of the sun. The current diesel tractors are powered by finite resources that cause a lot of pollution and climate change. The SOLECTRAC is a clean and quiet machine. It's zero emission.